It's not only the #1 motorsport in Trinidad and Tobago, more than 500 members ages 4 to 70 think it is the most exciting sport on the planet. Motorcycle trail riding and motocross have been promoted for over 26 years by Steve Woods, Ralph Molino, and the nonprofit organization, the Motorcycle Federation of Trinidad and Tobago. Since its inception in 1984, never before has such a powerful and compassionate group of individuals come together to create and help redefine the meaning of community motorsport. The sport has never been more popular and has seen massive growth since its inaugural Fizaback Cup, which has generated crowds of over 4,000 persons, rivaling both car and go-kart racing. The long-term goals of the Federation are to promote and develop the sport of motorcycle riding and racing, to coach youths ages 5 to 20 years old, and to encourage close family recreational activities throughout Trinidad and Tobago. Aspiring to transform the quality of life in our country, the Federation has given 16 riding scholarships to children in rural communities, including 4 boys at the St. Mary's Children's Home in Tacarigua. The construction of new tracks in Arima, Paramin, Tacarigua, Fizaback, David, Sans Souci, and Carson Field has led to the raising of over $60,000 in charitable donations in 2008. With the funding and donations from Mario's Pizzeria, Blue Waters, Coca-Cola, The Concrete Jungle, AS Bryden, and Media Jungle, we are well prepared with state-of-the-art equipment. Bobcat heavy-duty tractor and brush cutter for constructing and maintaining all tracks. 35 new motorcycles, 50 to 450 cc to train riders. $30 motocross motorcycles to participate in competition races. Video production studio for full television coverage. And a friendly and enthusiastic volunteer staff to administrate all functions of the Federation. Imagine a place for both parents and kids enjoy the opportunity to go out riding safely as a family, where lush green trees, bamboo, and fresh water streams await you along 3 miles of secure nature trails. The These trails surround the Otto Bolden Stadium in Cuba, where the Federation also hosts the only motorcycle riding school in the Caribbean and Latin America. The school has Japanese-trained certified instructors who train students 5 years and over on the fundamentals and advanced riding techniques for street and off-road riding. Whether it's a corporate, school, charity, or a community fundraising event, the Federation can provide free infrastructure, motorcycles, and entertainment to create a truly exciting and memorable experience.